welcome to our little mini art lesson all about population. So Miss Field asked me if I could do a little something to create a piece of art with the topic population in mind. So I know you've been learning a lot about population, what it means. We know that it means a group of inhabitants, don't we? And I decided that I would just do a piece of modern art. I don't normally do too much modern art because I'm still learning about it, but I have been studying very hard. I've been watching some online lessons with the lecturers at the New York Modern Art Institute, and it's been really interesting. So it goes to show even at my age, I'm still learning and I'm still trying to improve my craft. And I've actually painted you my first ever original modern art piece, and I've entitled it Population Chaos. You can see by the picture, I'm hoping that you can see, I actually based it on the commuters of London. I don't know if you know, but my husband often commutes to and from London, and it's always shockingly busy. I know at this time it's a bit different, but on an average day, there are just hundreds of thousands of people rammed close together, and all of different ethnicities, different religions, different heights, different sizes, all wearing different clothes. It's amazing. And so that is what this painting is based on. So I've done a tutorial and I'd love you to have a go and do your own. Good luck, and I can't wait to see it. Bye.